Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today, oh god, this look, guys, this is what you call a disaster. Right now it looks alright, yeah, it looks good, but this was a pain in the you guys will see in a minute what I mean. I might have, but I almost wanted to give up. That's how bad it was. I wanted to give up. I was like, you know what, Jace? Just do it. Just do it. So we can all see that not every day it's gonna be a good makeup day, okay? Sometimes it's just not your day. And sometimes it's not your day, but then because of the faith that you are having in yourself, you know, God is like, you know what? I got you, which is what he did for me today. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. If not, I would have been pissed off. Why am I talking this much for? Just for an intro. If you want to see how I got this look, if you want to struggle with me, if you want to see the pain, just keep on watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you, and you know, like the video if you want to like it. If you want to like it. Cause why not? Okay, bye. Alright, so you guys know the deal. I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C13 and 12 for my base. Well, not my base actually. C13 is going to go on the nose bridge for easy transition with my foundation. And the C12 I'll be using as the eyeshadow base. I feel really like it, you know, as my eyeshadow base. I felt like it worked out really nicely for my last tutorial. So I'm going to give it a go again. And you know, if it keeps going right, I'm gonna get like a lighter shade because I like my eyeshadow base to be very light, so my colors can be like bam in your face. So yeah. For my first shade, we are gonna go in with Hydra, which is right here from Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. So I'm gonna use that and I'll put it all over my crease. Well, actually, just a little bit below my crease. From my outer corner all the way to the inner corner. Okay, this is in my crease, to be honest. I did put it in my crease. And then I'm going to take my brush and start blending that out very lightly. I'm going to use it like the tip of the brush. I am going to go in with Zobo. I'm going to put that right on top, slightly on top of Hydra. So just around the edges of Hydra. I'm not going too high with it. I'm just going to press the color on. Not really bothered about blending just yet. And I'm going to take Zulu, yeah, Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And I'll be using the orange and yellow, my last colors, I believe, before we get into the harsh blending. So I'm going to take, I'm using the same brush, just wipe it off my tissue, and then going with orange first, very lightly, and then go right to the edge of Zobo. Now that I have that down, I'll go with my first brush that I used to put, well, okay, that I used to blend that out a little bit. I'm gonna just blend in between everything. Take another brush with the yellow, sorry, with the orange, blend that next to it. And I just turn it around because I'm too lazy. I'm going to take my Luminous Cosmetics Gel palette and I'm going to use the shade Naked, which is a very nudie color. And I'll put that just around my nose bridge just to help with the blending a little bit more. I'm going to take Ada on my brush, start blending it in my crease. And then I'm going to take Zobo. I'm taking that same brush, I just wipe it a little bit and go right next to Ada, blend it out. I'm going to dip into the pink from my Zulu palette, just lightly between the purple shade and the orange shade. Basically, you're just going to be going back and forth with these colors until you get the pigmentation and blending that you want. I'm just going to do this eye up to this level, and then we can see what we're going to do next. I'm going to take my Luminous Cosmetics palette and I'm going to use this brown shade right here called Obsession, and I'll pack that right in my crease just to build the depth of the eyes now and blend it out and smoke it out. So yeah, and I'll pack that on with my flat brush that I was using. You want to make it very smoky, what does one trying to do? Just not blending as good as you should. But I'm tired, okay? I'm tired. Okay. So this is going to be my last color before we go in for more blending. I'm even tired of myself. I'm going to use my Maybelline Color Show eyeshadow in Blackout 22. Just use any black eyeshadow, you should find. I'm not putting it right in my crease, I'm putting it just slightly below my crease. As you can see, like for some reason it's not sticking onto here. Maybe because I have too much for my eyelids. Okay, so if you can see, my black shadow does not want to stick. You see, literally doesn't want to stick. So this look is a mess. It's a disaster. Let's just say it's a fail. But I know we're gonna make it work. Okay. I'm still gonna continue to show it just so you can see how. Let's see if this happened to me, how I'll fix it. Because it happens to me all the time. Okay, all the time. Because I can't decide what I'm using or whatnot. So I'm using the Zobo shade. I'm gonna blend out this black. Just literally going over the edges of that. And then blending it into it. It's a hot mess. Yes, we know, but it's fine. We'll fix it. Okay. I'm gonna go in with my NYX jumbo pencil and white eye base and jumbo pencil, and I'll mix those two together on the back of my hands. Sometimes the jumbo pencil by itself it's a bit too stiff and thick, and then the eye base is just too light and oily base texture, which I'm not here for. So I mix them both and it's like the perfect consistency I find. And then pop that right on my eyelids. I'm not gonna do a cut crease. I'll just put that on my eyes, just blending it out. But just packing it on first. In the shape of a cut crease, except I'm not really bothering with the cleaning up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the brush, the flat brush, and take a little bit of Zobo and the Obsession shade from Luminous Cosmetics. And I'll start blending. Actually, I need to put that up a little bit more. The base needs to go a bit more higher. So almost like a round crease. And then I'll go with my brush just over the edges, and I'll diffuse it out. Okay, I'm going to use Dialer in the outer area and Zola sorry, Dialer in the outer area, sorry, and Zola in the inner corners of my eyes. Sorry, my voice is going off. That's better. Oh, it looks decent. Okay, I'm gonna take my Makeup for Millennium Gal eyeshadow palette, glitter palette, I mean. And I'm gonna use this blue right here and this white, but it has like a lime greeny reflecting shade on it. And I'll put the blue all over the lids, and then the other shade, the whitey reflective shade, in the center. And I just use my hand for this, like so. As we're going to establish this look is messy, okay? It's a hot mess, so no judgments. I'm actually going to be surprised if this looks anywhere decent. I mean, it looks decent now, but it's not what we want. Hi again. Ignore the dark. No, not the dark, sorry, the dry skin under the eyes, the patchiness, the bags. Ignore it. You can't see it. I can't see it. The big skin see themselves. I'm gonna go with my other eyes, and I'm gonna prime with the jumbo pencil. Actually, yeah. I'll use the jumbo pencil, run that under my eyes very lightly. Not very light, that's a lie. Pack it on. That's more like it. Put that on my other eyes, and then I'll go in with what I went in with my crease, which is the yellow, orange, and Zobo. There. Ada is useless, okay? Even if you're doing the look, ignore Ada. We don't need Ada. We'll do Ada for another time, okay? That. Yep. Run that under the eyes. I mean, they don't look horrendous. They truly don't. Now that I look at it, it doesn't. But you know, when you have a plan in mind that you want to execute to perfection, you don't want no sabotage coming along. Let's be honest, okay? Like, it's not bad, but I'm still gonna be mad at it simply because it's not what I wanted in the first place. But then again, half of my looks are not what I wanted. You would think I'll get used to it by now. Huh? Oh, isn't that funny? I'm gonna put this bright blue intense color eyeliner by who? MUI, I think, because it's not on it anymore. Like I sharpen it off. Yes. Anyway, it's called royal blue. Wow. Wow, Jace. Wow. Okay. So I went ahead and set my base. Now I'm gonna move on to doing my lips. Finally. Okay, so instead of putting mascara on my lower lashes, I'm gonna use my Silver Beauty Hydra liner in Blue Steel. I'm gonna use that as my mascara. Okay guys, so this is it for the finished look. Okay, first of all, excuse me if there's a thing I was to go, if there's any lipstick on my teeth, because the lip gloss I added, it just transfers. I can't help it. Like, there's nothing I can do about it. So excuse that. But we have actually created a look with that mess. Oh my god. I wanted to give up halfway. As you guys saw, giving my clothes were not blending properly. They were just being patchy, not sticking on. Everything was going wrong. Okay, so I'm actually very proud of this look and how it turned out. It's not what I wanted. It's not. But for what I got with the disaster, I am very, very much happy with it and what we have done. So, like I said before, if you enjoyed the tutorial, which is kind of hard to enjoy because it was just so painful, but if you did manage to enjoy it, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell as well, because you know I'm coming out with more for you, and I'll see you in my next video.